Hi viewers, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. Today I am starting the CSS3 tutorial for beginners. This is the first tutorial for CSS3 beginners. Today in this tutorial we discuss on the topic is first of all what is CSS3 and CSS3 modules. What we discuss on today, what is CSS3 and CSS3 modules. I will explain each and everything. Before going to topic, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, JS, jQuery, Bootstrap, AngularJS, and digital marketing technologies like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web tutorials and digital marketing technologies tutorials provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel, and please support me. If you want to get my latest updates, compulsory you can subscribe my channel. Okay guys, I am going to topic. First of all, I am explaining what is CSS3 and CSS3 modules. A brief introduction about the CSS3. CSS means cascading style sheet. We all of you know. CSS is a style sheet language used for describing the look and formatting of a document written in a markup language. Through this CSS3 tutorial, our aim is to give complete knowledge about the CSS3 specifications. We are using the CSS3 styles to we can design look and formatting of a web page. And next one, CSS3 modules. CSS3 is collaboration of CSS2 specifications and use specifications. What is that? CSS3 is collaboration of CSS2 specifications and new specifications. We can call this collaboration is module. Some of the new modules are shown below. Selectors, box models, backgrounds, image values, and replaced content, and text effects, 2D and 3D transformations, animations, and multiple column layout and user interface, and etc. Something is there. So each and every module I will explain in next tutorials. Each and every module I will make a video. Each and everything I will explain in next classes. Okay guys, this is about the CSS3 and CSS3 modules. We have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing again. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies and digital marketing technologies also. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon also. You can directly get the notifications to your mail ID. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye.